Trump just threatened Russia with our nuclear submarines, launched cruise missiles, and said we've got nuclear weapons delivery systems 20 years advanced over every other nation, and said Kremlin spokesperson and former president of Russia, Medvedev, better not be talking about nuclear weapons when he says nations are moving, including North Korea, who's announced they are planning to do it, and they do what they say they're going to do, nuclear weapons. Putin has come out and issued a warning. Kremlin warns that other nations ready to give Iran nukes. Dangerous escalation has begun, says Putin. Trump posted on Truth Social and X this today. Did I hear former President Medvedev from Russia casually throwing around the N-word nuclear and saying that he and other countries would supply nuclear warheads to Iran? Did he really say that, or is it just a figment of my imagination? If he did say that and have confirmed, please let me know immediately. The N-word should not be treated so casually. I guess that's why Putin's the boss. By the way, if anyone thinks our hardware was great over the weekend, far and away the strongest and best equipment we have, 20 years advanced over the pack, is our nuclear submarines. They are the most powerful and lethal weapons ever built, and just launched the 30 Tomahawks. All 30 hit their mark perfectly. So in addition to our great fighter pilots, thank you to the captain and crew. Be fighter bomber pilots, or nuclear bomber pilots, but Trump calls them fighter pilots. So that's what we're dealing with. Russian warships are escorting tankers through the English Channel right now. A lot of very provocative maneuvers going on. Humanity on the edge of nuclear world war as nations pledge to give Iran nukes in response to Trump's nuclear site strikes. Kremlin warns that other nations ready to give Iran nukes. Dangerous escalation has begun. Many nations ready to supply Iran with nuclear warheads. Top Putin aide, and North Korea says they're going to do it. Russia ready to help Iran.
You were just telling me that you had a brain disease, and what did you do to fix it?
I found this guy's a functional medicine guy, and he got me on methylene blue, and that instantly stopped everything.
I'd take it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I take it every day as well. And
yeah, RFK Jr. told me about it.
Yeah, man, it's fantastic. And so this guy's injecting, in 1890, injects these rats with it, and then does an autopsy on these things. And their brain, the brainstem, every single nerve is blue. So he discovered this methylene blue has an affinity for neuronal tissue. So he says, well, it's sucking into neurons and working in the body. So we started putting it in humans. And we found out it's an MAOI, which helps with depression and anxiety and all kinds of life stress and stuff. It is so incredible that it acts as an electron donor to mitochondria, especially your neuronal mitochondria. So it helps you produce more ATP, and it helps you get rid of this stuff called reactive oxygen species. So you have an oxygen molecule, it should have two hydrogens on it. And like your body's job is to convert stuff into water so you can pee it out. So if you get an oxygen molecule, it's got 4, 5, 1, it's a reactive oxygen, which we call free radicals. So methylene blue goes in there and balances a lot of those things out in your brain and your nervous system. So it is a miracle, and it's been proven for 100 years. It's one of the most well-proven drugs out there.
The strongest medical-grade methylene blue, and this is what I'm on. Total mitochondria cleaning, next-level energy. This is amazing. And you want to know what I'm on? Iris CMOS, Shilajit. This right here, look at that. That is power. I'm on intermittent fasting. I'm going to eat at 3 o'clock today. And I stopped eating crap food, stopped drinking. That's what I'm on right there, baby.